Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys applock setting. How to set up applock, how to use applock setting in Tecno mobile. Friends, one by one, step by step friends I will show you Tecno mobile applock full setting. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So now how to lock app, how to use applock setting, one by one we will talk about. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends you can see this type interface. So friends click here search option and friends search here a double p app lock setting. So friends we will on app lock setting. After on app lock setting friends click here app lock setting, draw pattern for app lock, and friends your pattern should 4 dots. If you use 3 dot you cannot start app lock. So friends use 4 dots pattern and you can start app lock. Enter security question. So friends I will enter here Tecno, done option. So friends you want to lock any app, you can lock. Example friends I will lock gallery app, contact app, file app, game app, Gmail app, and FM radio app, and photos and Play Store app I will lock. So friends you can check. When I will on gallery app is locked. When I will on file app is locked. When I will on game app is locked. And when we will on photos and Play Store app is locked. So when draw pattern, you can unlock your Play Store app and you can use it. So like that friends, you can start app lock, you can set up app lock in Tecno mobile. Friends again open your phone app lock setting. After on phone app lock setting friends, you want to show your app lock password. So friends right click here and you can show your app lock password. So friends now you can check my app lock password. So friends password will show, and you want to unlock any app so you can unlock app, and you want to lock any app so you can lock app from here. And right click here friends, you can change app lock password, draw new pattern for app lock, you can change app lock password. And friends you want to change your app lock security question, you can set new security question and you can save your security question after enter. And friends you don't want to use app lock setting, so friends you can turn off app lock from here. After turn off app lock friends you can see all app is unlocked. When you will on file app is unlocked. You can on your gallery app is unlocked. So like that friends we can lock and unlock apps and we can use app lock full setting in Tecno mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.